Hello, everyone. Today I want to show you how to quickly remove paint from the surface of stainless steel plate. Our welder is using a 1000W handheld laser cleaner to clean the paint. The whole process will take some time. Let me talk about our new product. Laser cleaning equipment is a new generation of high-tech products for surface cleaning. Advantages of the handheld laser cleaning machine. 1. Non-contact cleaning, does not damage the part substrate. 2. Precise cleaning, can achieve precise location, the exact size of the selective cleaning. 3. Laser cleaning machine without any chemical cleaning fluid. No supplies, safety and environmental protection. 4. Simple operation, power can be handheld or with the robot to achieve automated cleaning. 5. Cleaning efficiency is very high, save time. 6. Laser cleaning system is stable, almost no maintenance. The next long video, stainless steel welding.